Hello, my name is Naveen, and today I will show you how to add a scroll to top functionality with Elementor Page Builder. This is the example website which I have currently. So if you can see that if you scroll and go to the bottom, you can see that a scroll to top button is over here. So once user click that button, you can see go to the top of the screen. It is very useful to put the scroll to top button if your customer view your website on mobile devices. So it's very important to put such functionality. Today I will show you how to achieve this functionality along with the Eliminator Page Builder. This is the current website where I am working currently. So this is a test website. Currently, there is no scroll to top button over here. So we are building this website with the Illuminator Page Builder. So we are going to add a scroll to top button over here. But before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, just subscribe to my channel, and I will provide you more such kind of tutorial based on the Eliminator. So first of all, you need to go to the backend. So already logged in. So I am going to the backend of the application. Okay. We need to achieve that functionality in Emulator. We just need to install a plugin. I will let you know about the plugin. You need to add a plugin, essential add-on for Illuminator. Okay. So this is the plugin which we need to install and activate. So I click install. Okay, let me activate this plugin. Okay. So just finish the setup wizard. So let me go to the front end now. I have activated the plugin, but there is no scroll to top button over here. So what I need to edit this front page with Eliminator. Okay, and then you go to the setting tab, page setting over here, and in page setting you can see that there is a scroll to top, but uh, drop down appear over here. So only thing that you just need to enable it. And you can also if you want to set scroll to top on home page only, you can enable this one, or if you want to enable it globally, you can enable this option over here. Let me enable. I have enabled it. Okay. And you can also style the button. If I go to bottom, you can see the scroll. You can also style this according to your need and just publish the changes. Okay, so let's see how does the website look after. Now I'm going to do scroll. You can see that scroll to top button is appear here. So it's pretty easy to add a scroll to top functionality on any WordPress website where you are using Elementor Page Builder. So that's all for this tutorial. Thank you.